Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. Today we're controlling LED brightness using Arduino, push buttons, and displaying brightness levels on an LCD. Let's get started. We are using an Arduino, an LED connected to a PWM pin, 2 push buttons to adjust brightness, and an I2C LCD to display the brightness percentage. Components used: Arduino Uno LED, connected to PWM pin 9, 2 push buttons, 16 by 2 I2C LCD resistors if needed for buttons, jumper wire breadboard. These are the components required for the project. Now, let's see how the code works. First, we include the wire and liquid crystal I2C libraries for LCD control. The LED is connected to PWM pin 9, and buttons are connected to pins 2 and 3. The LCD first displays Digitech Dynamo and then LED brightness test. When the increase button is pressed, brightness increases by 25. When the decrease button is pressed, brightness decreases by 25. The brightness is displayed as a percentage on the LCD. The LCD updates dynamically, showing LED full bright at 100%, LED off at 0%, and LED adjusting for other values. Pressing the increase button makes the LED brighter, and the LCD updates the percentage. Pressing the decrease button dims the LED, and the LCD reflects the changes in real time. That's it for today's project. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Digitech Dynamo, and press the bell icon for more awesome electronics projects. See you in the next video.